Hola, Peeperinos!
Hey people, what's going on?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Cherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there.
We seem a little drained just because we're freshly back from our January Disney World trip.
We got back on Saturday evening, and
we're still recovering.
And we're both a little under the weather. I've got a little bit of a cold bug, and
she got the crud, and I got something else.
Yeah, it was actually going around. I heard several people saying that there was some sicknesses going around. So
thank you people for going to Disney World while you're sick.
And to the lady who coughed in my face.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
That's not why we're here.
So why are we here?
Because we came home to a box.
What's in the box?
It's a Mickey's mystery box. That's right.
Same time every month, right?
It just so happens it's like we get home from Disney World and what's on our doorstep.
It's mystery box.
It happened last time too.
It did. So let's
open the box.
Unbox the magic, as I like to say. So first of all.
Yeah, as is tradition.
Oh, the blue goes so well with my red. Okay, so the first thing I see is a park map, as usual, and this one is Magic Kingdom.
Sweet.
So they give you a different park map every month. It can be to any of the parks or Disney Springs. These are great to have if you're planning a trip.
I see something that is totally cherry.
I see it.
Totally cherry.
And finally, I have something for Animal Kingdom.
Whoa. It is pink leopard print Mickey ears. Look at those.
It's like Spice Girls Mickey ears.
Put them on. Just rock them right now.
Yes. Oh my God! Yes, finally.
No, keep them on.
Oh, I am. I was just going to get the price point. So the price point is amethyst,
which
we don't have it. So, but I got some. Seriously, they look like Spice, like something that Scary Spice would wear.
That is totally cherry.
And look, and like, look, it matches the red in my hair.
So this looks like, is this a soap dish?
I think it is, and we bought those oversized.
Look at that. Is that not awesome?
Is that Disney? Oh, that's Epcot World Showcase Paris. And we bought some of those oversized soaps at Basin.
That is a soap dish, and it would fit perfect with the soaps from Basin.
And guess what?
That's awesome.
And that's gonna happen. Oh, these are awesome. Oh, so the price point on this is $4.95. But you can see, like, it's kind of sparkly too.
So we've been talking about doing our kitchen and Disney.
Are they like in on our conversations?
Because Mermaid and Jedi Adventures, I'm calling you out right now because you got us kind of started on our kick toward doing a Disney kitchen.
You did.
Well, look what Mickey's mystery box just sent us.
It's a Mickey spatula.
That's awesome. It's $7.95.
Oh, that is so.
You know what we saw that we meant to get?
And we can hang it like we can get like one of those shelves with the little notches and we can hang it.
We were talking about when we were there last week the sink the drain stops.
Sorry.
For the sink they have Mickey on them. So
I was doing the Benny Hill smacking on the back of the head thing, which is cute.
All right, so. There's one more item that I see in the box, and it is wrapped up.
I'm checking through the fifth.
And it feels like it might be delicate, so we need to.
It's not a mug. I can tell it's not big enough for a mug.
Not big enough for a mug. But I'm wondering if it might not be.
Oh my God! And they're so soft, and they fit on my ears perfect. Oh my God! Have you been watching our videos and know how much I love the theme ears?
You know what? They did ask us.
They
did ask us if we would.
And we're on their website actually for under
the unboxing videos.
If you look under the Spoonful of Sugar part of their website, our video is on there.
Oh, goodness, what is in here?
What is it? Good Lord!
It's an ornament.
Oh, it's a Christmas ornament, which we love.
It's a happily ever after Christmas ornament.
Oh, let's see.
Back up a little.
Kind of. Let's see.
Let's get it closer.
Well, it's kind of yeah. Sorry.
So it's a happily ever after Christmas ornament.
You got the castle, and it says Magic Kingdom. Disney Happily After.
And it's $14.99 is the price.
Yeah, so it's like a scroll type. It looks
Yeah.
like a scroll.
It is a scroll, and it's Disney Happily.
Happily
Actually,
After.
it says Happily Ever After because if you look there in the yellow. it's
Oh,
hard
it
to
does
see.
say, okay.
It says Happily Ever After on the ornament.
Yeah, that's better.
So
Kind of tilt it just
Very
a little
cool.
bit towards back there. Oh, I love it. Once again, so that's all for the box, but once again, more than what we paid for the box.
I mean, and you know the ears.
they match my hair.
Cherry.
Look,
Cherry
they
has
match
been
my
Cherry
hair.
has been debating what ears can I wear out of the ones that she has for Animal Kingdom because she's got one for every single park.
I usually wear
You
like
do
my
Epcot,
Ariel.
you do the Van Gogh,
I do the Van Gogh, or I'll do
and you have a number of different ones for
Magic
Kingdom,
Kingdom.
which you have two that are Haunted Mansion based, and then you have for Hollywood Studios. She has these really cute Chewbacca ears that he absolutely loves.
Yeah,
Although one time he
I
asked, they're not made from real Wookiees, are they?
Yeah, and I also have a couple, like I have the Darth Vader Sugar Skull ears,
Yes.
and the Star Wars, like the old
The
like comic
old school
book
comic
print.
book print, yeah.
But I never really had, so I wore like my Ariel, my Little Mermaid ears,
Yeah.
because I didn't really have anything else. But
And they had Ursula on them too, didn't they? I think that.
no, it was Ariel and
Ariel
Flounder.
and Flounder,
But
okay.
these, and they match, and see the darker red matches my hair.
It's like they knew exactly what to say. I think they made those specifically for you. I don't even think I've seen those in the parks.
I don't remember seeing these.
I mean, obviously they're in the park because.
Yeah,
I mean,
and these are Mickey ears. They're not Minnie because there's no bow.
yeah.
So, oh my God, they're so adorable.
Pink leopard print Mickey ears. I think that. I mean, that was worth the price of the box right there.
Oh my God, I'm like in love.
And then the soap dish. I mean, everything in here, everything in this box
So we got these
goes along
ears
with something that we are doing
that we've
already
been
in our
doing,
home.
and with the soap dish, we
Yeah.
have those big
soaps.
soaps from Basin, and
And
then
yeah, that's awesome.
and then of course the park map
And the Happily Ever After ornament.
and the Happily Ever After ornament. So
And of course the blue packing
Well,
confetti.
yes, it brings out the blue in your eyes.
I make this look good.
So that is it for the box. Great box as always.
Great box. Thank you, Mickey's Mystery Box.
Never fails to deliver.
No, it's always good.
So that's it for this video. I think tomorrow we're going to try. We can't guarantee.
We're going to attempt to do a live stream,
a live stream of our haul.
which is extensive. Most of it's Josie's haul because Josie
Bought a lot of stuff with her own money.
She bought a lot of stuff with her own money that she's been
Very
earning through
proud of her.
allowance.
So
and she
proud
came
of her.
home with money left over.
She did. But we have something. But there's
we
also
also-
going to have a big announcement.
Well, it's part of the haul though.
It's part of
It
the
is
haul.
part of the haul, and it's a really big announcement.
And it's a really big announcement. So hopefully we're going to
Tune
do it. Yeah, hopefully we're going to do it tomorrow. If not, then we're going to probably have to wait until like Friday evening to do it.
I mean, I'm going to say the haul's probably going to take an hour.
At least, yeah.
So just sit back, get some popcorn ready,
yeah.
and
And I'll tweet
tune
out
in.
when we're getting ready. When we're getting ready to do our live haul, I'll tweet out in Facebook and Snapchat.
We're gonna shoot
Instagram.
for around 7 o'clock Eastern time.
We're gonna shoot for it. Yes.
We'll shoot for 7 o'clock.
Josie
Eastern
doesn't
time.
have dance, so
Yeah.
it should be
Give us
easy
time to
do.
get dinner done and get her done. And
But yeah,
dinner done.
so tomorrow a live stream of our haul and our big announcement, and then of course Wednesdays we'll be starting back up with the trip vlogs, still into May.
Yeah, we're still doing May of last year.
And then whatever little videos I would like to do maybe sometime this weekend or maybe
Don't we need to
next.
continue our top 5?
We do need to
series?
continue our top 5. I would like to do a live stream of some sort either this weekend or next week, just reviewing our trip, reviewing like our new experiences, and just
Which
kind of
was
going through.
Awesome.
It was awesome. We hope you enjoyed the pictures.
Yes.
So yeah, I think that's it. So, hey Josie, you want to come help sign us off?
She's got to put her poppy slipper on.
Her poppy slippers.
Here she comes.
I need something on my hair.
You need some, here. Put
Have some of Daddy's.
Here, have some of Daddy's. So what's your name?
And Gooch.
I'm Cherry, and we are the Disney Means. And as we always love to end our videos with, you want to help me out?
Yes! Yes! Rock!
In case you don't speak James Hetfield, that's love, peace, rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
All right, see ya.
Bye, guys. We'll see you real soon.